Hello, learners of Primary 2. How are you? How is the work taking you over there? Are you doing corrections? Good. For those who are doing corrections, that is good. For those who are still not dodging around corrections, make sure next time you do the corrections. Are we together? Yes, then you must send to your mom the work of corrections. Go through and write the numbers you failed. Are we together? So today, primary 2s, we are going to learn how to attempt questions when they give you a poem, when they give you a story, a dialogue. Are we together? That is good. So I have my short poem here. And remember our thing is still about food and nutrition. So my poem is got from that theme. Are we together? So it is also talking about food. Children, what is food? Food is something good to eat or drink. Food is something good to eat or drink. So even me here in reading, I've got for you a short poem about food. And the instructions are saying, read the poem and answer questions that follow in full sentences. Take note of full sentences. Are we together? Read the poem carefully and in full sentences answer questions that follow. And I have told you I have also got this poem also under the theme you are learning also in literacy. Food and nutrition, that is our theme. The poem goes like this. Food, food, food. Without food, I cannot stand. Food, food, food. Without you, I cannot grow. Food, food, food. Without you, I cannot sleep. By Alain Pitou. It is very short poem. It is a very short poem. Let me repeat for you. Food, food, food. Without food, I cannot stand. Food, food, food. Without you, I cannot grow. Food, food, food. Without you, I cannot sleep. By Alain Pitou. They are saying food, and we have said food is something good to eat or drink. And here they're saying, without food, no one can stand. Like right now I'm standing. If I take like a week, a month, without eating food, can I be able to stand? No. Are we together? They're saying food, food, food. Without food, I cannot grow. Can I grow without eating food? I cannot. Food, food, food. Without you, I cannot sleep. Can you sleep when you're hungry? No. You start yawning seriously, the headache, what and what. You cannot sleep. So food is very important in our bodies. So here we are saying questions. What is the poem about? What is the poem about? My dear children of primary 2, don't just say food. When you say food, I shall just come and I close you here, like this. This answer of food, like this, comes when they have said, write the title of the poem. Write the title of the poem. Give the title of the poem. Give a suitable title for the poem is when you come up with food, because they are saying right. Are we together? But when they say, what is the poem about? Simply say, you have to write in a few sentences. Say that poem whenever you're starting a sentence in English or any other subject. We have rules to follow. You have to begin with a capital letter. The poem is, are you saying it? I have started with a capital letter. The moment you begin with a small letter, you have already failed that number, which is very bad. The poem is about, I say, the poem is about food. The poem is about food. And there is something missing in your answer. The poem is about food. You just leave it hanging like that? No, you have to put what we call a on your answer. So make sure whenever you're writing, end with a full stop and begin with a capital letter. What is the poem about? The poem is about food. You put a full stop. Are we together? That is good. Number 2, which class is the writer? Remember our poem is here. I have just given you some 2 examples to follow. Yes? Which class is the writer? Which class is the writer? What do you say? You just say P2? When you say P2, thank you, but you have failed. Why? It is not enough to say this, and they are saying which. Which class is the writer? Are we together? Which class is the writer? Don't just say P2. Are we together? You simply say the writer. Remember, start with the capital letter. The writer. I say the writer is in. The writer is in. Basically, 2. You change it to the word P stands for primary. Yes? The writer is in primary 2. The writer is in primary 2. Like this, you end with a full stop. My dear, when it comes to reading and English, you have to be so keen. When they put one here like this, they want to test you. You know the rules of governing English as a subject or reading as a subject. You change this to words. P stands for primary and 2 you write in words. When you say P2 also, then we shall cross you. Though they have written like that. Are we together? Yes. So when they say which class is the writer, yes, the writer is in primary 2 in words. Am I clear, younger boys and girls who are there looking at me? That is good. So you're supposed to follow what the teachers tell you. There are words which tell you to just go directly to answer, and that those ones will tell you to write in full sentences. And I told you they normally end with a question mark. All those questions which need you to write in full sentences, they end with a question mark. I have just given you some 2 examples to follow, but other activities are down there on your hard copy. They are going to be there on your hard copy. Are we together, children? Yes. So you have also to read it through several times, then you answer all those questions which will be down on your hard copy. Make sure you write also the poem. Don't go directly to the questions, because when I'm marking, what will I know? What am I marking? Which poem? So you have to put down the poem and the questions down in your books properly and with the best of your handwriting. I'm making your children. Thank you very much.